Have you ever paused to consider how crucial bees are to our ecosystem? These tireless workers buzzing from bloom to bloom carry out an indispensable task: pollination. It's a natural phenomenon that's as fascinating as it is crucial. You see, when bees seek nectar, they inadvertently pick up pollen on their bodies. This pollen then gets transferred to the next flower they visit, fertilizing it and enabling the production of fruits or seeds. It's a simple act, but one with profound implications. Bees, in their quest for sustenance, breathe life into our gardens and farms. They're the silent partners to our food production, aiding in the growth of a staggering 70% of the world's most consumed food crops. From apples to almonds, from strawberries to squashes, bees play a pivotal role in their journey from seed to table. As we can see, without bees, our world would be a far less colourful and less bountiful place. Now that we understand the importance of bees, let's explore how they fit into the permaculture setup. Permaculture, in essence, is a harmonious melding of architectural and agricultural design, a system that draws upon the natural patterns and features observed in ecosystems. It's a symphony of nature, a dance between the elements and the organisms, all orchestrated to create a sustainable, self-sufficient environment. And what role do our buzzing friends play in this grand design? A pivotal one indeed. Bees are the connective tissue in this setup, the pollinators that play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this intricate web of life. Imagine integrating beehives into this setup. The bees would have a safe space to build their colonies, to grow and to thrive. In return, they would pollinate your garden, increasing its productivity manifold. Flowers would bloom with more vigor, fruits would grow in abundance, and the overall health and vitality of your garden would escalate. This symbiotic relationship serves as an epitome of nature's intelligence. The bees, while going about their daily routines, help the garden thrive. The garden, in return, provides the bees with nectar and pollen, the building blocks of their hive and honey. But the benefits don't stop at your garden's edge. Integrating bees into a permaculture setup contributes to larger environmental goals, helping preserve biodiversity and promoting a balanced, resilient ecosystem. In essence, integrating bees into a permaculture setup is a win-win situation, facilitating a thriving, sustainable ecosystem. With the understanding of how valuable bees are in a permaculture setup, the question arises: how do we attract these incredible creatures to our gardens? The answer lies in creating an environment that caters to their needs and preferences. One of the most effective ways to do this is through the selection of plants. Bees are particularly drawn to flowers that are rich in nectar and pollen, their primary food sources. Lavender, sunflowers and marigold are a few examples of bee-friendly flowers that are also a treat to our senses. Additionally, bees are known to have a preference for certain colours, with blue, purple and yellow being their top picks. Therefore, incorporating plants with these hues in your garden can significantly increase its attractiveness to bees. Remember, it's not just about the flowers. Bees also require water, so providing a fresh, shallow water source can be another effective strategy. This could be as simple as a bird bath or a shallow dish filled with pebbles and water. Choosing native plants is of paramount importance. These plants are adapted to the local climate and soil conditions, and local bee species have evolved to depend on them. Native plants can be a lifeline for bees, providing them with much-needed resources, particularly in areas where their natural habitats have been destroyed. By making our gardens inviting to bees, we not only enhance the beauty and productivity of our own little patch of earth, but we also contribute to a healthier, more balanced ecosystem. In the grand scheme of things, our actions can have a profound impact on our environment, and that includes our buzzing friends, the bees. To encapsulate, bees are not just honey producers, they're vital cogs in the wheel of life, pollinating a significant portion of the plants we rely on for food and other resources. Integrating beehives into a permaculture setup can be a symbiotic relationship. The bees get a safe and nourishing environment to thrive, and in return they help fertilize our gardens, promoting biodiversity and contributing to an efficient, self-sustaining system. Attracting bees to your garden is not rocket science. Planting a diverse range of bee-friendly plants, providing them with clean water, and avoiding harmful pesticides can create a welcoming habitat for these hard-working insects. Remember, every flower planted, every hive integrated, and every bee attracted plays a part in preserving and enriching our world. Let's do our part for the bees and in turn for our planet.